Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Singhal and I'm your mathematics trainer. Today we are going to solve the past year questions of UIMO, that is Unified International Mathematics Olympiad. Here is the first question that says, choose the result of this. So in the numerator we can see that this is a cube when the value of a is equal to 0.65 plus b cube when the value of b is 0.35. In the denominator it is a square minus ab plus b square. We know that a cube plus b cube can be written down as a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. So this can be written down as a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square divided by a square minus ab plus b square. We are assuming these two values, that a is equal to 0.65 and b is equal to 0.35. So this will get cancelled out. This is a plus b, that is 0.65 plus 0.35, that is equal to 1. So A option is the correct answer. Next one, choose the unit digit of the product of all the prime numbers. So see, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, then we have 13 and so on. Let's try to understand this. See, all of them are odd numbers. All of these are the odd numbers. If you multiply any odd number, let's suppose 3 into 5, that is 15. 5 into 7, that is 35. 3 into 5 into 7, that is 105. Every time we are getting a number that is the odd number. Now, and also every time we are getting the unit digit as 5. Let's try to understand this. 3 into 5 into 7 is 105 into 11 is equal to 105, 105. So this is 1155. Even if you multiply this value 3 into 5 into 7 into 11 into 13, if you multiply it by 13, 15, 1, 16, 1, this is 4, 3, 0, 5, 5, 1. So 5, 11, 10, 5, 1. 15015. Every time we are getting the unit digit as 5. And then there is this 2. So if you multiply the product by 2, it will become 30. If you multiply it by 2, it will become 70. If you multiply it by 2, it will become 210. If you multiply it by 2, it will become 10, then 11, then 1, 2310. If you multiply it by 2, then it will become 330. 30,030. So every time the unit digit that we are getting is 0, so B is the answer. Next one, the LCM of two numbers is this much. LCM is given for two numbers as 1320. HCF of those two numbers is 12. If one of the number is 264, another number is A, let's suppose, then choose the other number. We know the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the number. Here the value of A is not given and 264 is another number. So 1320 multiplied by 12 is equal to A multiplied by 264. A is equal to 1320 multiplied by 12 divided by 264. This is 12 two times and 24, then again 2 times, 22. Then 11 or 22 multiplied by 6 is 32 and then 0. So 60 is the required number. Next one, how many 5-digit numbers are there in all? So see, the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. The greatest 5-digit number is 9,999. Now, number of 5-digit number is equal to 99,999 minus 10,000 plus 1. So this is 8,900. 89,999 plus 1, that is equal to 90,000. See why we are adding 1. Let's suppose we are talking about from 2 to 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. But from 2 to 5 the numbers are 2, 3, 4 and 5. So basically when you subtract this, when you subtract 2 from here, so you are subtracting all of them and we are left with this part. But we also need to include this 2 in the calculation. Similarly, when we are subtracting 10,000, so we need to also include 10,000 in the calculation. So that is why we are adding 1. Choose the value of this. This is 1.23 minus 2.34 and 1.23 minus 2.34 plus 1.23 plus 2.34 multiplied by 1.23 plus 2.34. See, if we assume that A is equal to 1.23, B is equal to 2.34. So this is A minus B multiplied by A minus B plus A plus B multiplied by A plus B divided by A square plus B square. So see, when you open it up, this will become A square minus AB minus BA minus B square plus A square plus AB plus BA plus B square divided by A square plus B square minus AB plus AB minus BA plus BA. So this is 2 times of A square plus 2 times of B square divided by A square plus B square. This 2 will get common. So A square plus B square twice and divided by A square plus B square. This will get cancelled out. So this is equal to 2 itself. B option is the correct answer. A is to B, the ratio is given. A is to B is given as 6 is to 5. B is to C is given as 4 is to 1. So see, A is to B is to C. This is 6 is to 5. This is 4 is to 1. So all you have to do is do the multiplication like this. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So this is the ratio for A is to B is to C. So A is to C is equal to 24 ratio 5. C option is the correct answer. Next one, choose the area of the rectangle whose length and width are given. So length is equal to 47 2 upon 3, that is equal to 47 into 3, that is 141 plus 2 143 upon 3 centimeter. Width is equal to 11 2 upon 11, that is 121 plus 2 123 upon 11 centimeter. We need to find out the area. So area is equal to 143 upon 3 multiplied by 123 upon 11. 11 one time and 3 times. 11 13 is 143. 4 and 1. So this is equal to 13 multiplied by 41. 13 10, 1 carry over. 13 4 is 52 plus 1 50 53. 533 centimeter square. C option is the correct answer. Choose the number of lines of symmetry in a rectangle. So when we talk about a rectangle, this is how the rectangle looks like. One line of symmetry is this, another line of symmetry is this. There are two lines of symmetry. When we draw along the diagonal, it will not going to overlap. So B option is the correct answer. Next one, which option satisfies x is equal to 19? So first of all, if you look at the left hand side, okay, so let's try to put the value one by one. 19 plus 2, 21 upon 3, that is 7, minus 19 plus 1, 20 upon 5, that is 4, is equal to 19 plus 3, 22 upon 4, that is equal to 5.5 minus 1. So this is 3, this is 4.5. They are not equal. Over here, 19 plus 2 upon 3, that is 7, minus this will be 4, is equal to 19 plus 3, 21 upon 22 upon 4, that is 5.5 plus 1. So 3 is not equal to 6.5. Not the correct one. 19 plus 2 upon 3, that is 7, minus this value will going to be x plus 20 plus 1, 20, this is 4 is equal to 19 minus 3, that is 16 upon 4, 4 minus 1. This is 3, this is also 3. So this is the correct answer. And let's check for this one. X minus 2, 17 upon 3 minus 18 upon 5 is equal to 16 upon 4. 19 minus 3, 16 upon 4, 4 minus 1. So on the right hand side we have 3, on the left hand side we are having a fraction which is not a proper number. So they are not equal. So hence the C option is the correct answer. Next one. If the sides of a triangle are given to us, a upon 2 plus b upon 3 minus c upon 4, and similarly 3 other sides, choose the perimeter. So the perimeter will be equal to, we will take a upon 2 plus a upon 4 plus a upon 3 together, plus b upon 3 minus b upon 3 minus b upon 4 plus minus c upon 4 minus c upon 2 plus c upon 3. So b upon 3 plus and b upon 3 minus will get cancelled out. This will become, the LCM of 2, 4 and 3 will going to be 12. So this will become 12, and this is 6a plus 3a plus 4a upon 12 minus, this can be written down as 3b upon 12 plus, this is minus 3c, let me write it down over here, plus minus 3c minus 6c plus 4c upon 12. So this perimeter is equal to 6 plus 3, 9 plus 4, 13a upon 12 minus 3b upon 12. Now minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5 c upon 12. So this is equal to 13a minus 3b minus 5c upon 12 centimeter, which is nothing but the option number D. That's how we can solve. Next one, select the greatest ratio. So see, 3 by 4, if you multiply it by 100, it will become 75%. B option. 5 by 8, if you multiply it by 100, so 500 upon 8. So this is 12.5 multiplied by 5, that is 62.5%. C option, 11 upon 12 multiplied by 100. 11 upon 12 is something that is equal to, let's calculate the values. 11 multiplied by 100 upon 12, that is 91.66%, and it will go on. And D option, 15 upon 16 multiplied by 100. 15 upon 16 multiplied by 100, that is equal to 93.75%. So the greatest value is this one. So D option is the greatest ratio. What is the remainder if this number is divided by 8? So see, if the last 3 digits of a number are divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. So let's divide 325 by 8. 4 times 32, 5, 0. So 325 can be written down as 40 multiplied by 8 plus 5. Now as 5 is the remainder, so 5 will going to be the remainder for this entire number. Option number D is the correct answer. Next one. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 10. Numerator plus denominator is 10. If the numerator is increased by 3 and denominator is decreased by 1, then the fraction becomes 1. Okay. And So over here n plus 3 is equal to d minus 1, and it is also given that n plus d is equal to 10. So n minus d is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. If you add both of them, 2n is equal to 6 or n is equal to 3. This implies that d is equal to 7. What is the difference between the numerator and denominator? So the difference is 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. C option. Let's cross check. The fraction is coming as 3 upon 7. If you add 3 to the numerator, so it will become 6. If you subtract 1 from the denominator, it will become 6. That is equal to 1. So that is correct. What is the least number which when divided by 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 leaves in each case remainder 2, but divided by 30 leaves no remainder? So see, in this case, first of all, let's find out the LCM of 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So when you divide it by 2, this is 3, this is 5, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 and 6. Then by 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 5, 3. Then by 3, so 1, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. Then by 5, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. So let's pick 2 from here only. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 is coming for 1, 2 and 3 times. Multiply by 3 multiply by 5. 8, 4, 8, then 12, then 60. So this is equal to 60. Now, if you add 60 and 2, so this is the number 62, which actually leaves the remainder of 2 and 12. Yeah. So 2, when you divide it by any of these numbers, 62 divided by 2, 3 into 20 is 60. 12 into 5 is 60. 10 into 6 is 60. For 8, if you talk about for 8, okay, one second. For 8, this is, okay, so this will going to be not 20, this is 2, 4, 8, 24, okay, 120. 120. So this is 122. 30 into 4, 25, 24 into 5, 20 into 6, 15 into 8, 12 into 10, 10 into 12 and 12 into 10. So every time it will going to leave the remainder as 2. But when we talk about dividing by 13, when you divide it by 13, so 13, 9 times is 117. It leaves the remainder as 5, but it says that it leaves no remainder. So now let's write down 120. Then the next number is 240. So it will going to be 242. 242 will going to follow the same property for all of them. But is it divisible by 13? 13 into 1 is 13. Then 11, 112, not divisible. Then we have next number 360. So basically the number will going to become 362. So we're going to divide 362 by 13. 2 times 26, 102. 102 is not divisible by this. Now we'll check it for every individual number. 962. 13 into 7 is 91. This is 5, 2. 13 into 4 is 52. But we need to also check whether 960 comes. So see, this is 480. Then we have 600. Then we have 720. Then we have 840. Then we have 960. So 962 will going to be the number. We need to find out the least number. So we will not going to check for these bigger numbers because it follows the property for the given in the given the question. So this is how we can solve. Next one. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till 50 is equal to this much. From 46 to 99 it's this much. Then select the value of 1 to 99. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 45 plus 46 plus 47 plus 48 plus 49 plus 50 is equal to 1275. It is given 46 plus 47 plus 98 plus 99 is equal to 3915. We need to find out the sum of 1 to 99. So I'll tell you two methods. From here, from the first one, the sum of 1 to 45 will be 1275 minus the sum of these numbers. 46 plus 47 plus 48 plus 49 plus 50. So 4444 160 plus 210 plus 6 plus 7 13 plus 8 21 plus 9. 21 plus 9, that is 30. So 240. We'll subtract 240. So this is equal to 1035. 1035 will going to be the value that we will going to get. 240. Yeah. Now this value is given from 46 to 99. The sum is given, so that actual sum will going to be 3915 plus 1035. So this is 10 1. So this is 5. This is 9, and this is 4950. This is one of the ways. Another way is, for if we need to find out the sum of all the counting numbers starting from 1 till any of the specific number. So this value is, if it is n, so the sum is n multiplied by n plus 1 upon 2. So this is 99 multiplied by, because we are adding the numbers from 1 to 99, so 99 multiplied by 100 upon 2. This is 50. 50 into 99 is also equal to 4950. That is how also you can solve the questions in the other questions that you will going to see. Next one, which property is satisfied the by the division of whole numbers? So for the division of whole number, closure property is not valid, because 3 divided by 2, or let's say 6 divided by 3 is not equal to, is something that is equal to the part, but 3 divided by 6 is not a whole number. Associative property or commutative property first. 6 divided by 3 is not equal to 3 divided by 6. Not the correct one. Associative property says, what does associative property say? So according to the associative property, when we talk about it, so the numbers like, A divided by B and then divided by C. So basically we talk about the three of the groupings in like this format, which is not equal to A divided by B divided by C. So none of the property is valid for the whole numbers. I am thinking of two whole numbers. The product is 144. A multiplied by B is 144. Their sum is 26. What is the larger number? So see, 144, we can write it down as 1 into 144, 2 into 72, 3 into 48, 4 into 3 and then 6, 36, then 6 multiplied by 2 and then 4, 24, then 8, no, 7, no, 9 multiplied by 1 and 6, 16, then 10, 11, 12 multiplied by 12. Now the product is 144, but here the sum is 145, here the sum is 74, here the sum is 51, here the sum is 40, here the sum is 30, here the sum is 16 plus 9, that is equal to 25, and here the sum is 24. What is the larger number? I am thinking of two whole numbers. Their product is given to us. So over here, there is one more thing. Like it is also divisible by 8. 8 multiplied by 18. 8 into 1, 8 into 18. So here the sum is 26. So the larger number is 18. 18 multiplied by 8, 18 plus 8. So the larger number is 18. If the number is divisible by, the number is 23p 6297 1335 is divisible by smallest odd composite number. So see, composite numbers are 4, then we have 6, then we have 8, then we have 9. So if this number is divisible by 9, then choose the value of p. So as per 9, the sum of all the digits should be divisible by 9. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 6 11, plus 2 13, plus 9 22, plus 7 29, then 30, 33, 36, and then 41 plus p should be divisible by 9. Now it will be only divisible by 9 when p value is equal to 4, because 41 plus 4, that is 45, that is divisible by 9. If we take it as 5, then in that case it will become 46. In case of 6, it will become 47. In case of 7, it will become 48, which are not divisible by 9, obviously. So A option. Next one. Mahesh is 60 years old. Ram is 5 years younger to Mahesh. Mahesh is 60. Ram is 5 years younger. That means 60 minus 5, 55. And 4 years elder to Raju. So Ram is 4 years elder to Raju. So that means Raju is 55 minus 4. That is 51. Babu is younger than Raju. And he is 6 years younger to Raju. Babu is younger brother of Raju and he is 6 years younger than Raju. So 51 minus 6, that is equal to 45. What is the age difference between Mahesh and Babu? So the age difference is 60 minus 45, that is of 15 years. B option is the correct answer in this case. Next one. If m is a prime number, m is the number of prime numbers between 1 and 50. M is the number of prime numbers. So first of all, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then 17, then 19, then 23, 29, 31, then we have 37, then we have 41, then we have 43, then we have 47. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 50. And n is the number of prime numbers between 50 and 100. Between 50 and 100, so see, here this implies that m is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Between 50 and 100, so this is 53, then we have 59, then we have 61, then we have 62, 3, 4, 5, 6, 67, then 71, then we have 73, then we have 74, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 79, then we have 81 to 83, then we have 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 89, then we have 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 97. So this implies n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. M minus n, this value will be equal to 15 minus 10, that is equal to 5. B option is the correct answer. Next one. What is the greatest 3-digit prime number? So see, if you talk about the prime number, over here 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 7. See, 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 9 24. This number is divisible by 3. Not the correct one. 989. So the greatest prime number, which is a 3-digit number, is that will going to be 997. 997. The rest all the numbers are somehow divided by any of the sum of the numbers. 989 is something that is divisible by 23. It is divisible by 23, that is equal to 43. And similarly 991 is also divisible by one of the values. So B option is the correct answer. Three numbers which are co-prime to each other and such that the product of first two numbers is 42 and the product of last two is 78. So there are three numbers A, B and C which are co-prime. The product of first two is 42. The product of last two is 78. Then choose the product of these three numbers. These three are the prime numbers. And basically the co-prime number. So this can be written down as C. 42 is 1, 42, 221, 3, 14, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 71 is 1, 78, 2, 39, 3, then it will going to be 2, 6, 26, then 4, no, 5, then 6 into 13, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, no. So these are the values. Now see, there are three numbers which are co-prime. So first of all, we need to select a number which will going to be common in over here. So the common part is 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6, and then we can take up the pair. So 42 we will going to take it as 6 and 7, and then this will be 13. 6, 7, 13, because see, if you take 3, so 3, 14 and 30, 26, 14 and 26 we're going to have 2 as the common number. 221 and this is 239. 21 and 39 we're going to have the common number, that is 3. And same goes with 42 and 78. So 6, 7 and 13. Numbers will be 6, 7 and 13. 6 into 7 is 42, 7 into 13 is 78. Now the product of these three numbers is 42 multiplied by 13, 6, 12, 2, 4, 6, 4, 546. C option is the correct answer. Next one, choose the simplest form of it. So over here, this number can be written down as 9 plus 2, 11 upon 3, plus 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5, minus 87 upon 10, minus 41 upon 15. So here the LCM will going to be 30. So for this 110 upon 30 plus 38 into 6, 40 into 6 is 240, minus 12, 228 upon 30, minus 87 into 3, 261 upon 30, minus 82 upon 30. So this is 1110 plus 228 is 338, minus this is 314 1, 343 upon 30, 343 upon 30, which is going to be 14. This is minus 5 upon 30, that is equal to minus 1 upon 6. B option is the correct answer. Choose the result of this. So see, 7x square, then minus 4x square, we will recollect the like terms, then minus 3x square, plus minus 9y square, plus 5y square, plus 4y square, plus 5xy, minus 7xy, minus 6xy. 7 minus 4 is 3, minus 3 is 0, 0. Minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4 plus 4 is 0. 5 minus 7 is minus 2, minus 2 and minus 6 is minus 8. So this is minus 8 xy. A certain sum of money is divided between A and B in the ratio. So the ratio of A is to B is, this is 5 upon 4, this is 4 upon, this is 5 upon 3. If you multiply it by 12, so it will become 3. So 15, 4, so 20. 15 is to 20 ratio, that is 3 is to 4. So the ratio is 3 is to 4. A got this much, so let's say 3x and this is 4x. 3x is equal to 36,774. Find the total sum. So this implies that x is equal to 1, 2, 3, then 5, 8 rupees. Total sum is equal to 3x plus 4x, that is 7x, that is equal to 7 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. That will be equal to 56, 5, 35 plus 5, 40, 4, 21 plus 4, 25, 2, 14 plus 2, 16, 1, and then 86,506 rupees. 1 second, let's cross check the value. 36774 divided by 3, 1, okay, this is 1, 2, 2, 5, 8. And then multiply it by 7, that is 85806. B option. Next one. Subtraction of integers follows dash property, closure property, associative property, commutative property C. 3 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 3. No. No. 3 minus 2 minus 1 is not equal to 3 minus 2 minus 1. This is 3 minus 1, 2. This is 1 minus 1, 0. Not equal. But yes, the closure property. Identify the option which is in the descending order. So see, for the descending order, when we talk about the descending order, first of all we should know the values. We know that D is equal to 500, C is equal to 100. So this is 500 minus 100, 400 plus 28. So this is 428. CD double X. So this is 428, 428, 428. Triple C and then 1, so this is 302, 302, 302, 302. DC, so this is 400, then 23, 423, 423, not this one. Okay, so the values are different. CD double X, CD double X, CD double X, CD double X, triple C, triple C, triple C. Okay, these are the right values, but CD double X, triple I, so 423, CD, this is 400, 400 and then 10, 410, 418. Let's find out this value also. This is 343. This is 343. CD, that is 418. This is 343. Triple C, this is 343 and CDX 418. We need to find out the descending order. Descending order is 428, 423, 343, 302. Descending order. In this case, the value is increasing, then increasing, then increasing. In this case, the value is increasing, then decreasing, and then decreasing. In this case, the value is decreasing, but then increasing, and then decreasing. Decreasing, descending order is a decreasing order. Declining. A option. If 1, 2, 3, if 10 lakh is divided by a certain number, then the quotient is 999. 999 multiplied by P, and the remainder is 1. So if you take P value is equal to 999 divided by 999. So one time, then double zero, and then one time. 1001. C option is the correct answer. Next one. Choose the result of the option. 1 into 3 into 5 into 9 into till multiply by 100. Odd number but not prime. See, 1 into 3, 3 into 5. So as we are having double zero in the end, so eventually whatever the number that we will going to get, it will going to have last two digits as 0. So if we are having 0, so this is not odd number. Even number as well as composite number. So this is the even number and this is also going to be the composite number. Yes. Prime number, no. Odd number as well as composite, no. B option is the correct answer. Choose the sum of LCM and HCF of these three numbers. 247, 416, 663. So all of these numbers are something that is divisible by, in case of 30. Okay, let's use the different approach. 247 and 416. One time 247, 16 minus 7 is 9, 10 minus 4 is 6, and 169. 247, 169. 17 minus 9 is 8, then 13 minus 6 is 7. 169, 2 times. 16, 1, 14, 15. 3 and 1. 78. 6 times. So these numbers should be divisible by 13. 247 divisible by 13, that is 19. 416 divisible by 13, that is 32. And 663 divisible by 13, that is 51. Now 19 is a prime number, 32 is the even number, and this is the odd number. So they do not have any number common. So here the HCF is 13, but if we talk about the LCM, that will be 13 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 32 multiplied by 15. 13 multiplied by 19, that is 247, we know. 51 multiplied by 32, this is 102, 3, 15, 1632. Now 1632 and 247, let's multiply. This is 14, 1, 21, 22, 2, 42 and 2, 44, 4, then 11, then 8, 12, 1, 25, 2, and then 6, 4, 6, 3, 2. This is 4, this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 8, 9, 10, and 4. So this is 403104. If we find out the sum of these two, so this is 403117. C option is the correct answer. Next one. Choose the option which are divisible by 11. So see, for 11, we need to find out the sum of the alternating digits. So let's find out the alternating digits. So I'll tell you one more thing, that when we talk about the alternating digits, if we have something which is common in alternating parts, let's cancel it out together. So see, 5 and 5, 3 and 3, 6 and 6, 7 and 7, 8 and 8, 9 and 9, 4 and 4. Here the difference will going to be 0, which is divisible by 11. So A option is the correct answer. In this case, okay, let's enclose the, or let's just look at the alternating digits. So see, 4, 4, 9, 9, 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 5, 8, 8, 3 and 3. All of them are divisible by, the basically difference is 0. So that is divisible by 11. That is divisible by 11. So this is also the correct answer. Similarly, 9, 9, adjacent digits are always 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3. Divisible. 9 and okay, first of all, let's mark the digits and then we will going to cancel out. Marked, non-marked, non-marked, marked, marked, non-marked, 4 and 4, 7 and 7, 5 and 5, 6 and 6. So all 4 of them are divisible by 11. Next one, select the options which are in ascending order. So see, if we talk about the first one, minus 19 upon 47, minus 17 upon 32, minus 6 upon 7, 16, minus 13 upon 24, minus 5 upon 12. So let's do one thing. Let's roughly find out that what are these values. A option is this is minus 0.40. Then 17 upon 32, that is minus 0.53. Then 7 upon 16, that is minus 0.4375. Ascending order. First it's increasing, then it's decreasing. Not the correct one. B option. 13 upon 20, 13 upon 24, that is minus 0.54. 17 upon 32, that is minus 0.53. 7 upon 16, that is minus 0.4375. Then 5 upon 12, that is minus 0.416. And then 19 upon 48, that is minus 0.39. So they are decreasing continuously. Basically, these numbers are, see, the values are decreasing. It seems like the values are decreasing, but they are negative numbers. So this is increasing. Over here, it first decreased and then increased. So this is the increasing order, B option. Similarly, if you talk about the C option, minus 5 upon 6, that will be something which is equal to minus of 0.833. And 23 upon 36, that will be equal to minus of 0.63. Then 17 by 24, minus of 0.70. Then 7 by 9, that is minus of 0.77. Then 3 by 4 is minus of 0.75. And then 5 by 6 is minus of 0.83. So see, 63, 70, 77, but then 75. But then 75. Basically, I'm talking about the part. So here, the value is decreasing, 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 but then over here it increases and decreases. Not the correct one. If you talk about the part number D, so here the values will going to be minus 0.83, then minus 7 by 9, that is minus 0.77, then minus 0.75, then minus 17 by 74 or 24, that is minus 7.70, and then minus 0.63. So here the values are increasing continuously. The option is the correct answer. This is one of the way. You can also solve them by taking the LCM and finding out the equivalent fraction. So it's totally up to you, and these are the approximate values that I have written down. So it's totally up to you in whichever the calculation you are good at it. So just go for that option. Next one. Choose the correct options. Choose the correct options. So over here, sum of two prime numbers need not be an even number. Sum of two prime numbers need not be an even number. So see, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. We have 11, we have 13, we have 17, we have 19. 19 plus 17 is 36. But if you take 2 plus 3, that is 5. If you take 2 plus 5, that is 7. If you take 2 plus 13, that is 15. Sum of two prime numbers need not be an even number. It is not necessary, it's not mandatory that they will going to be the even numbers, because we can also have the odd numbers, right? We can have the even number, we can have the odd number as well. So A option is the correct statement. Sum of three odd number is always an odd number. 3 plus 5 plus 7, 8 plus 7 is 15. 7 plus 11 plus let's say 21. So 7 plus 11 is 18 plus 21, that is equal to 39. So see, even plus odd is even, and even plus odd, then that will going to be odd. Correct one. Product of three odd number is always odd. Yes, 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 is 15 into 7, that is 105. Product of any number of odd numbers will be odd number. Product of 3 prime number is always an odd number? No. 2 into 3 into 5. 15 into 2, 30, which is not the odd number. Choose a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. So in case of rhombus and in case of square, the sides are equal. In case of rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. In case of trapezium, it's not mandatory that any of the sides should be equal. But in case of square, all sides are equal. In case of rhombus, all sides are equal. Then in triangle ABC, if the angle ABC is 90, AB is equal to BC, then triangle ABC is an triangle. Right angle triangle, yes. Isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, yes. So right angled isosceles, that should be the correct answer. So the answer for this particular question is this can be the right angle triangle, this can be the isosceles triangle, this can be the right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle but not isosceles? No. So A, B and C are the correct option to this question. This is how we can solve. Here is the first question. What will come in place of question mark? So see, if we look at the common part at these two, see, first of all observe this part, that is your part number 1. Then it is coming like this. Then it is going forward, and then this is the part which was common as far here, and then it is going like this. So this has to be the required shape in this given option. That is the option number C, because we are moving one step ahead, like this, then like this, and then like this. Next one. Observe the given picture. If this is decoded as moon, so see, for M we are putting this part, for O we are putting the entire part 2 times, and for N like this. Then what will be the code for this? See, S T, then A, then R, star, the option. Select the correct matching pair that replace the question mark. Over here, if we just try to understand this, this star is shifting 1 times towards the right, and this is going in the opposite direction. So in this case, star will going to shift 1 place over here, in a circle, plus sign, and this part will going to go in the opposite direction. So this will going to come here. That means the option number, which one? D is the correct answer. Identify the eggshell fragment to the hole in the egg. So see, this is how it should be over here. Then this is the correct answer, because over here you can see the difference. Here you can see the difference, and in this case here you can see the difference. But this B is exactly replicating the actual answer. Which one is different? So over here, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. In all four of them, we can get at least 4 of the triangles. That is true. But over here, the part that is different is in this case, option C. Option C. If you look at the option C, then these 4 parts are not equal. But over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 parts are equal. Which option replaces the question mark? 9, 3, 15, 5, 21. How much? 9, 2, 12, 5, 20. How much? 4, 2, 16, 8, 24. What? So see, if you divide it by 3, you will get 3. If you divide it by 3, you will get 5. So if you divide it by 3, A is equal to 7. This is minus 7. This is minus 7. So it has to be minus 7. B is equal to 13. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. When you divide it by 2, so C is equal to 12. So 7 plus 13 plus 12, that is equal to 20 plus 12, that is 32. A option can be the correct answer to this particular question. Next one. Choose the correct water image. So if you look at the water image, there is the formation of a square like this. This line will be here itself. This will be as it is. Now this part will going to be like this, and this will be like this. That is nothing but the option number B. Which word can be made from the letters of the given word? Store. S is something that you cannot find over here. Motor. M-O-T-O-R. It can be formed. Roast. R-O-A-S is something that you cannot find. S is something that you cannot find. So C option is the correct answer. What does the shape look like when the given transparent sheet is folded? So when you fold it up, this line will going to be like this. This line will going to be like this, and this line will going to be like this. So this is how it will going to looks like. That is the option number A. Option number A. Next one. Read the following information carefully to answer the question. Kiran, Gopal, Harsh are intelligent. So see, there are 4 categories. Intelligent, hardworking, honest, ambitious. There is this name Kiran. Then we have Raghu. So K for Kiran. R for Raghu. 1, 2. G for Gopal. H for Harsh. H A for Harsha. And J for Jitendra. Now Kiran is intelligent, hardworking, and ambitious. Not honest. Gopal, let's talk about Raghu. Raghu is hardworking and honest. not ambitious, nor intelligent. Harsh is intelligent, but not the other parts. Harsha is honest, but not the other parts. Jitendra is hardworking, honest, ambitious, but not the intelligent one. And for Gopal, he is intelligent and ambitious. So this is the scenario that we are having. Which of the following person is neither hardworking, these three are neither hardworking ambitious, nor ambitious. So see, over here, the Harsh and Harsha, basically they are the same. They are the same. They are the same. Harsh and Harsha. Now, Harsh and Harsha, like this guy is neither hardworking nor ambitious. So, Harsha or Harsh is the correct answer. We can say Harsha, we can say Harsh. So, C option is the correct answer, and this is how we can solve the question. Which shelf will break first when a heavy load is placed on the whole shelf? So see, if we talk about this particular scenario, then the A shelf will going to be the answer, because see over here, this part is something that is not getting balanced by putting a bar. The bar should not be exactly at the end, and it should not be exactly just in between. It should be just close to this the hinge that we are having, but it has to be exactly in between, so that it can hold the weight here, it can hold the weight here, and it can also hold the weight here. So shelf B will going to hold the heavy load, but shelf A will going to break first. A option is the correct answer. Five friends A, B, C, and D, C, D, and E are from different states, not in the order. So A, B, C, D, E. A is not from Kerala or Goa. So A is not from Kerala or Goa. So A can be from Assam, Kashmir, or Bihar. B is from Bihar. So A cannot be from Bihar. D and E either from Assam, Kashmir, or Kerala. D and E either from Assam, Kashmir, or Kerala. So see, Assam, Kashmir, or Kerala. So in that case, now two people live in the state whose name starts with their initial. So see, B for Bihar. Now D for, do we have any city from D? No. From E? No. So A from Assam. So A is from Assam. That means D and E are from Kerala or Kashmir, and then C, if we talk about C, so C will going to be from Goa. Now we do not know this thing, they can switch, but these places are fixed. A is from Assam, B is from Bihar, C is from Goa. Now D and E can be from Kerala and Kashmir, we do not know. Who lives in which state? To answer the given question, which among information 1 and 2 are sufficient? So see, with the help of the two statements, we actually be able to find out that who is from which state. Statement 2 alone is sufficient to answer the question. If you talk about this, statement 1 is alone sufficient? No. So statement 1 is not alone sufficient, but statement 2 is alone sufficient in order to answer this question, because it can say that A is from Assam, B is from Bihar. That is definitely we can find out the answer. So this is something that we are getting the answer. D and E are already given, so only C is left out, and who is willing to live in the other part. Okay, Assam, Kerala, or Kashmir. Kerala or Kashmir. So this is what the answer is. Option B is the correct answer. Next one. Gautam paddles around five with his boat. See the diagram. Which of the buoy does he paddle around in clockwise direction? So see, the boat is going here. So this is going in this direction. This is going in this direction. It is getting stretched from here. So this is going in this direction. If this is going in this direction, then this is going in this direction, and this is going in anti-clockwise direction. So this is anti, this is clockwise, this is anti, anti, and anti. This is the clockwise. So the actual answer is like over here, the clockwise direction. So see, boat is going in here. Let's try to understand this again. We'll start from here. As the boat is going here, so this is the clockwise direction. If this is clockwise, so this is also, this is going to be anti-clockwise. Then this part, it will going to be clockwise direction. This will also going to be clockwise direction, and then this finally is going to be in the anti-clockwise direction. So which of the buoys are paddling in the clockwise direction? So this is 5 and 3 and 2. 2, 3, 5. That means option D is the correct answer. Next one. Which of the option is always found in heroism? Suitable, power, advice, courage. So when we talk about the heroism, so the courage is something that is common in there when we talk about heroism. Power is something that can be there with like the villains also, the evils also. Advice is something that even I can give, even you can give. Not the correct one. Suitable, no. So courage is something like fighting against whenever something is going wrong. Is the courage that heroism showcase. C option. Which combination figure best represents the relationship between mosquitoes, ants, and insects? So see, when we talk about insects, in insects we are having what? Mosquitoes, and we are having ants. Mosquitoes are different, ants are different. So B option is the correct answer. They are not common. Nothing is common. So B option is the correct answer, and this is how we can solve the questions. I hope that you understood all of them. So let's meet in the next video. By the time